So I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do after high school. I was looking online. I was asking my dad what I should do because I wanted to do engineering. And then he brought up a good opportunity with High School to Highway because he heard about it. So I looked into it and I was interested. What really interested me was like fixing stuff because like I've always been a hands-on person, to like guardrail, hands-on, paving, hands-on, because you gotta, there's the box, you gotta shovel into it if one side gets low. There's flagging, you stand there, like you get to see people drive by, wave at you, greet new people. I would definitely recommend giving this a shot because of the fact that you can have a career here. Like you can retire from here like you can have a 40-year career and get full retirement. You get paid time off, so you hit a certain amount of leave, you have to use it before every year. You get benefits as in medical, dental. I've definitely benefited from this. Like I said, I used to be, when I came out of high school, I was like, oh, okay, I'll work here. And then I was like, I started to get more and more mature, stopped doing all the high school stuff, started becoming more of an adult. All the people that have been here for years, John and Devo, Jacob, my entire crew, everybody's just helped me on the journey of becoming like more mature. It's like a family. It's not, everybody watches out for each other in all ends. It's always safety first. It's always about family. I do plan on making it a long-term career just because of like, the longer you're here, the farther you move up, and the more responsibility you get as you move up in the ranks. High School to Highway program actually teaches you multiple things about responsibility, leadership, all these little things for like later on in life when you get older.